it's me, Rain, and we're gonna be filming a video today. It's called Elsa's camper van trip. Many of you requested this, and it's gonna be a really fun video. I hope you like it. Smack that thumbs up button. Come on, YouTube, let's do this. Oh, Daddy, may I please ride my horse over to Elsa's house? I heard she has a baby, and I want to go check out the baby. All right, Belle, but you better be quick, okay? Darling, you're just a small little girl. Okay, Daddy. Bye, sweetheart. Bye, Daddy. My dad kind of scared me. Because he said, you're really young, you better hurry up, sweetie. He really scared me. Oh, hi, YouTube. It's me, Belle. Let's go, girl. Yeah. At Elsa's house. Sorry, guys, we have to restart that. Wait, never mind. It was just on cut. Honey, aren't you supposed to be watching the baby? The baby's asleep. Oh, never mind then. So, how'd it go? It went pretty bad, but it was alright. Oh, I'm gonna go get the door. Be right back. I hope she doesn't get hurt. Oh, hey, Belle. What are you doing here? I came to see the baby. Well, the baby is very cute. Bring your little horsey in, please. I'll just be sitting on the couch talking to my husband if you need me, okay? Alright. I'll take horsey in to see the baby, too. In the baby room. Where's this up over here? It's really, really cool in here. I only want to show you guys, but I can't even move the camera. Oh, yes, I can. You guys are gonna have to lean on something. And you see the baby crib? It's right there. Okay, horsey. Shh. Don't make a move. Oh, look at that cutie rug. It could fall out and get a rug burn. I'm gonna take this rug with me. Daughter, what are you doing? Daughter, what are you doing? You don't take rugs from babies or people's babies. The baby could get a rug burn. You don't know what it's there for. Put that rug back. No, the baby's gonna get a rug burn. I'm putting it on Horsey's back. That's illegal, daughter. No, it's not. It's not in the law book. Well, of course it's not in the law book. Because it's illegal. Have you ever read the illegal book? I'm gonna go check on her. Because they sure are being quiet. Look, she's coming. What's going on in here? What's going on? Why does that horse have my baby's rug? It's from keeping her from having a hard landing if she gets up and falls out of the crib. Because that crib is short. Alright, chop everybody. Everybody out. The baby needs some space. You guys hang out with my husband while I go take care of the baby. Mommy. So here's a closer look at our baby. She's a little cutie. And yeah, she has a pink outfit on, just like the pink truck and the pink crib. So we have a girl baby. She has bright blonde hair. Elsa does have some blonde hair. I just got a silver ribbon in her hair. So let's go to the baby's room. Baby room? Yes, honey, the baby's room. You can take a nap in there, so let's bring your little blankie, because you already got a pillow. Baby? Yes, blankie. I'm going to go scoot your pillow over, honey, so you sit on your carpet. Okay. There's your pillow area. Now let's show you guys from the wall. I'm going to turn the camper van so you guys can see in there. So you guys can see what's going on. There I go, my bro. Sit down and have a nice enjoying time. Your daughter will be right here. It's turned. You can see everything in it. And the comb fell out. That was up on the top of the kitchen. The kitchen area is going to be open over here. I'm going to view it. Here's our kitchen area. Right here. That's our kitchen area. Set you guys right there. And move it over a little bit. And we're going to move the baby area right here, I think. I don't know how I'm going to get you guys to see it. But here's the little baby area back here where the curtains are. And I'm going to take this pillow and I'm going to set it down. That's the pillow that she uses. It's a really nice camper van, but I'm just not sure how to set it up and all that. So I'm going to push this all the way in the corner. So there's like a wall behind it. Oh God, you guys behind it. And I'll set you guys right here so you guys can see the whole camper van all together. I'm gonna put this back in here. I wish I could move you guys closer, but there's nothing right here to move you guys closer with. What can I move? Oh, I see. Got something for you guys. There you guys go. Now you see it pretty well, don't you? And now I can scooch back here. Grab Elsa. And I'll scooch all the way back and pull up this curtain so I can play. That's how I play. And yeah, Elsa's crown fell. That was sitting up here on this bucket. Oh, I'll just have to set the crown up on this white crate. So we got our baby wrapped up in her blankie. And she's going to lay on the pillow that's in here. And we're going to have this under her so she doesn't get hurt by the floor when she's moving around. And then she can lay down right on her pillow while I view the stuff to you. So, I'm going to view everything that's in her little playroom to you guys. Whatever that was. So, we got this little chair, and yes, it is a cushion chair. You open it, and there's like a really soft cushion part, and then you can lay your feet on this part, which is really cottony. And they got a really pretty design, and then it just folds back up. It's really nice. We got a baby potty chair. It has purple, which is my favorite color, and pink, which is my other favorite color. And the baby just sits right on this. And then you can use Play-Doh to make pee or poo. Yeah. Let me go put this back now. And now I'm going to grab the couch. This is a magenta couch. It's really hard. It's so hard that it might not feel good if you sit on it, but of course it's for baby dolls. And it has little pillows. I don't know if you guys can see that pretty well, but it got pillows. The thing's turned around, so I don't know how things are working out. Oh, yum, yum, yum. And we got this little thing with a bucket. It came with a bucket, so the bucket was free. It's a little blue bucket with a handle that moves up and down, like a Halloween bucket. Up, down. And then we got this thing right here. Look. Blue, 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 blue. We got this drawer that thing has holes in the back. We can act like we shoved like a book in there. Hang on, let me have my Ken book. Not like a real Ken book. We got a Barbie Ken book. And then the up one is the drawer. We can act like we got a Ken book in our drawer. I'm going to really show you this Ken book. It's really cool. It's like a magazine. Can you see that? Ken is on the top here. And then it has like little words on it. And then it has a picture of somebody. And same thing on the back. It's really cool. And I'm going to store this in here. And then I put the bucket on top since it can't fit anywhere in it. So let's put this back in. And it goes between the two couches. We got this little pink couch. It's really, really sweet. It's cool. No, this cushion does not come out, but it looks like it does. It's a light pink couch. And as you can see, there's some details up here. Can you see those? I'll put it closer. It's like a heart. It's a heart design with some swirlies up here. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's why it's up close. And yeah, there's paint on my finger. There's paint on my finger because we did a painting object. And I hope my mom doesn't watch this because her present is an ornament angel to remind us of great grandma. Just don't say that in the comments because my mom does watch my videos. So don't tell her. And tell her not to watch this in the comments down below. So we have this little container I was talking about. Let me open it. It's not having toys in it. I know you guys were thinking that. No, it actually has a really cute top that I need to hide from other baby dolls. It's really cute. It like has a diamond shape on it, and then it's like the shirts that like tie around your neck, and then it fastens onto Elsa. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put this on Elsa to show you, to give you guys an example of what it looks like. No peeking. Especially you boys out there that are looking at this video. I'm going to show it to Angelique. And we have one day until the party, which is tomorrow. No, the party's not tomorrow. It's the day after tomorrow. That's the party. So this is what the shirt looks like. It's really, really cute on Barbie dolls especially. And then the back has that little back show, which is really cute. And then we got some regular things in here. We got a hair iron that they can actually hold. And, come out. Dang, come out. It's a really big object, but it's came out for me a couple of times. I don't know what happened to my freaking TV. I'm going to go turn it back on because the cable box shut off. Man, this freaking cable box. Full House is on. Great. Just great. Okay, guys, so I'm back. And I was saying